In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account in Google Ads. So to do this, go and open up Google Ads, and then what you want to do is go to the billing section right here, and from within billing, head over into payment methods. Now from within payment methods, you can see all of the payment methods that you have currently connected. Now from here, you can just click on add payment method, and then you can select add a bank account. Then here choose the country that the bank account is in, for example the Netherlands. And then from here enter the details that are requested, so this may differ per country, but just the name, IBAN, SWIFT, and then the billing address, and then click save, and then you will have added that bank account, and you can then also make it your primary payment method if you want to. So that's how to add a bank account to Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.